What's up, guys? Got another one for you here. Pretty easy one. This is actually cleaning your mass airflow sensor. It can be pretty much done by anybody on your own car. Here's how we do it. Most of the time your check engine light's going to come on, and you can go to any of your neighborhood auto parts stores and get them to scan it for free. It's going to come up and basically say it's a mass airflow sensor issue. First, locate your mass airflow sensor. On this one, it's back there. So we take the covers off. And there she is. In many cases, you can actually take the whole housing out, and inside is your mass airflow sensor. You want to use the mass airflow sensor cleaner and spray as best you can